My name is Alex, and I'm going to show you how to draw straw in Photoshop. So I'm going to show you how to just draw the basic texture of straw, and I'm going to draw a bag of it. So I have my bag on a separate layer, and the first thing you want to do is make sure your background is a darker color and it's on a separate layer, because you don't want to confuse the yellow with the white. It's not that you will confuse it, but it's easier to see it if it's on a darker background. And then once you're done, you can erase it or do whatever. And I have my bag on a separate layer. And I'm going to go ahead and actually put this layer above my straw layer so that it looks like it's in the bag, just for now. And I'm going to go ahead and select like a blondish yellow or golden yellow. And I'm going to bring my brush size down to 3. And if you're using a pen tablet, make sure your brush sensitivity is set to shape dynamics, which means it'll act more like a paintbrush / pencil, so that when you add pressure, it'll actually show. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and draw it like this. I'm just going to draw upwards because it's sticking out of a bag. And get a good base color going behind it, because we're going to darken it to make it look more realistic. Okay, so I've got my base straw, and I'm going to go ahead and go to the burn tool. And normally it looks like that, so you just want to hold down and select the burn tool. And I'm going to start with shadows, because shadows is actually going to add darker color. It's going to stay true to that yellow color, and the highlights are actually going to make it more of a burn, like a shadow. So I'll show you what I mean in just a moment. So I'm going to go ahead and just play around with the light a little bit, and I'm going to have this part a little bit darker because my bag is shaded like so. And then I'm going to go up here and select highlights, and very lightly I'm going to add this. My name is Alex, and this is how you draw straw in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.